Today's gonna be a fun day. We gotta load up all the pipes and whatnot. We have to go back out a irrigation line. All right. Let's see if I can grab these. Oh yeah. Why am I in the hole? You're watching TikToks?
What?
Why am I in the hole and you're watching TikToks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's try it out. That's what she said. Cody. No, it's you.
I have to take this and put it like this. You fucking cut that about as straight as you. We use a Romac so that you don't have to wait for glue. Once I get the other piece on here, I'll grab this and use these bolts. It'll cinch down. How did my big ass get in here? I don't know. Nope, wrong side. That'll work.
It's never finished. Master got me working. Someday Master set me free.
Dude, shut up, Cartman.